Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. My friends are currently watching the England versus Senegal soccer game at some bar that I didn't go to because I was still asleep. I couldn't fall asleep until like 2, so I woke up this morning like absolutely not. So it's now like after 12 and I'm just starting to like wake up. I feel fine, I'm just tired. And Tommy's coming off a cold too, so I'm trying not to like get it. But I kind of feel like I sound a little bit off right now. But we'll see what happens. I think I was sick before him, and I've mentioned already. I'm pretty sure after my booster, I got something like side effect-wise uncomfortable, and then I actually just got sick and just didn't feel well for an extended period of time. Felt pretty normal yesterday, and I feel normal now other than the fact that like I feel like I could just sleep for another like 3 or 4 hours. But I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna grab food first. And we're gonna go over to their house again today and play D&D and do stuff like that. So late at night, Tommy takes his vitamins, and I always find every once in a while there's a single one left on the floor because he will have dropped it and not known where it went, and it's that one's just right there. That's funny. Sunday clean apartment. I'm doing another load of laundry, but I folded 3 really quickly actually, like you saw, and it looks really nice right now. So I cleaned the kitchen as well. Everything is pretty spotless, and I'm happy with the fact that I think I have finally found a place for that candle to just go there. It's never lit, but I don't know what to do with this little space back here. I really have no idea. So I put it here for now, and maybe I'll move it to up here. I really don't know, but like I don't have enough counter space or like bookshelf or dresser surfaces to put stuff like that on. So like that candle that'll also never get lit if the window is closed, obviously, is going to be over there. So yeah, we just we're making do with the space that we've got, and we're heading over to our friend's house in like an hour and a half. Probably remember this little ornament I got yesterday from my friend's house. So I'm gonna put it right here on our tree, so it's pretty prominently featured in the front. Yeah, they use grapefruit slices, which is why they're so big, and they're pinkish red instead of, you know, like an orange. You can have it a little lighter, so yay. I love our view from out this window now that we don't have this covering everything, but of course the ground is still soaked every single day, so we can't put it all back, but enjoy the view for now. That's very nice. I love you.
I love you.
We're matching pants.
Yeah. I feel like I got the short ones and you got the long ones.
Oh, yikes. Oh, wow, yes. Oopsie whoopsie. It looks like these are mine. I got so much extra, and I'm even wearing the socks where I don't need.
You're on to it. You can register our community review.
Yeah.
That's our customer.
Oh, okay. I've never been here. What'd you get?
Here's a croissant and a vanilla iced coffee.
Yum.
Yeah.
Yum yum. That's an oversight.
Yeah, I should actually take that home tonight.
Okay. It looks so pretty. I think that's a good amount. Hey! Yeah, I was.
Roll me 50 d6, please. Thank you. I'd love it. Thanks.
D6.
Show.
I have a
25 each?
I have a number in
25
my
each.
head that is going to be exploding. Is going to be enough to break you out. But I need 50 d6 of this.
I would ask Google that.
Just doing that. Oliver is teetering backwards.
I'd be doing the same. Ollie, don't fall. There he
Now
is.
we've already rolled.
No, we're going. Hold on.
Go, boys, go. Free the ship.
Free the ship. Free the ship. Free
The
the
ship. Free the.
Rolling really low.
Are you?
I'm doing math.
Oh, okay. I want to see your
Yeah, I
your
know where they
avatars
went.
soon.
Yeah, right to left. There's 2 6s.
Just take a very long time.
How many do you get?
I'm at 92.
That makes 90, I think.
So 182.
Okay. So we got this scene where you are stood there being like, I'm gonna go
need
to all these other
200.
people. Immediately you turn. As you guys just like set the fuse on this fucking insane explosion, you just boom! This huge explosion takes place. You only had to get 150
Woo!
to blow you out of the situation. The entire ship, you just like hear like. Did anyone take cover? Did anyone?
Well, they did not tell me that.
No.
This was happening.
We backed up a bit.
I'm
Yeah, like 10 feet.
meditating
Took a few
with.
steps back.
I'm meditating with the staff somewhere.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a.
God forbid, in the
a
ship.
dexterity saving throw from all of you.
Oh lordy.
As everyone tries to shelter from not only being basically exploded away, also being knocked off your feet, also all of the ice falling on your face.
Oh.
And I'm going to take a minimum of
Not 20.
Don't say it. Don't say it yet. Don't say it yet.
an 18.
Oh.
Oh,
I
yeah.
rolled a 20, so.
I got an 8.
I failed.
What was it? Constant, no, dexterity?
Dexterity.
27.
Hey.
Milo just happened to be like ready to dodge.
I'm pretty good at I've got +7 on.
And
She's
he's
been
pretty-
talking with the ship, he told
He's
her.
pretty dexterous.
Yeah,
Like,
the
oh,
ship's
by the
just
way,
like, hey, something weird's about.
Yeah.
There's some shit going on.
And everyone that fails is going to be 29 points of bludgeoning damage.
You know what's really funny? That would have killed me.
Well,
Oh,
not
not
unconscious.
I only have 20 HP left.
29 points of damage. Everyone else is half if you succeed.
14.
So 14? Oh, well, I guess 14 from evasion.
Wait, yeah, 14?
Yeah, so you take 14. I also take 14 because evasion is
Oh,
great.
you bet.
Evasion's so good.
Evasion is a terrific ability.
Bastard.
I got
I
18
have-
as
You
well.
couldn't
I
have
got
even given
18
us a heads up.
on it.
I have
We,
6 health.
Well, we didn't know how big it would be.
Yeah, we just sort of, I was imagining a... ah!
Okay, so what? Now we're on the
It's-
floor.
Well, yeah.
So,
Not only
How
that,
much
so,
was it?
That we took, sorry?
You took 28 or
29.
29.
29 points of damage.
I have 6 health left, FYI.
Wicked song.
For everyone, it's like that sort of like movie, like you can't even fucking see anything. Everything is
Like the camera's
fucking,
shaking.
yeah.
The lights are
There's
It's like Archer
where
after he
the lights
fires a
come from.
gunshot.
Flashback.
Not only, yeah.
Whitenitis!
You're finally
Mop.
awake.
Going over and scattering.
Mop.
We had a great time. That was lots of fun. I pet the cat with my foot for an extended period of time. He did try and bite my hand again. It's just how he do. I need to make a list of different gifts I'm going to give because we are doing our holiday exchange in 1 week. So I think we have everything we need except I need 2 things for one person and something else for them for their birthday. But other than that, pretty good, pretty set and ready to do a holiday exchange. And I'm going to finish watching my Bleach episodes and have a little bit of extra dinner because though we ate there, I'm hungry again because it was a while ago and it wasn't like a ton of food because we all shared a bunch of dinner. So got a sandwich from Rebecca and they're really excited about my sandwich from Rebecca. And honey, you want to end the video?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Get on over here.
Guten Nacht.